Good evening, viewers. You are live with Raleigh, Doncare. Today, I'll be broadcasting live from the location of Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma is a catastrophic 5, again, 4, currently 3, hurricane. Broadcasting live, I'm going to bring you all the highlights, the wind, the rain, everything. So, stay with me. We're going to focus on all the main points that they are talking about in this hurricane. We're going to talk about the storm surge. We're going to talk about the high winds. We're going to talk about the horizontal rain coming in at every angle. It's going to be catastrophic. The horizontal rain.
Can I do it, Mommy? Do it, Amber. You turn.
We're gonna have high torrential winds blowing at high speeds. That'll be very dangerous. Everybody.